Hey everybody, got some Sukhi Samosas from Walmart here. Chicken Tikka Masala flavored. Let's cook these up. Well, here's the directions. So preheat the oven to 375. Don't thaw them. Remove them from the tray. Place on the baking sheet for 15 minutes or until golden brown. So 375 to golden brown. If you got an air fryer, there's the directions for that. We ain't doing it that way. We're gonna cook them in the oven right now. Right, we got her up to 375. Let's put them in. Oh, these babies are ready to go. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to try these. Beautiful looking. Oh Lord. So if you're new to Indian, it tastes like curry. To me, it's like chicken tikka masala. Incredible depth of taste. Amazing. Delicious.